You have just 2 minutes to change your life. Yes, just 2 minutes. Now the choice is yours. Can you give me just 2 minutes of your life? No matter where you are right now, on a bus, on a train, at the office, at home, or even watching this before going to bed. Watch this video for just 2 minutes without skipping and give it your full attention, because there's a chance these next 2 minutes could change the direction of your entire future. After watching this video, you won't need another long motivational speech, because I'm about to share a simple principle. A principle that can help you achieve massive results without making your life difficult, without working 10 hours a day, and simply by building one tiny habit. It's called the domino effect. Just knock down one small domino every day, and when the time is right, the rest will fall on their own. Think about it. A small domino can knock down another domino that's 1.5 times bigger than itself. That domino knocks down an even bigger one, and eventually even a giant domino falls. The same thing happens in your life. If you want to improve your health, you don't need to do anything extreme. Just wake up every morning and drink 1 glass of water. That's one small domino. Take a 1-minute walk. Do just 5 push-ups. Do just 5 squats. Your body won't even feel like you've worked hard. But after a few days, that 1 minute becomes 10 minutes, then 20 minutes. And slowly, fitness becomes part of who you are. If you want to start reading books, don't force yourself. Just knock down one tiny domino every day. Every night, keep a book next to your bed so that it's the first thing you see when you wake up. After a few days, you'll naturally read a few lines, then a page, and maybe within a month or two, you'll finish the entire book. Remember, there will be days when you won't feel like reading. That's okay. But every single night, keep that book beside you. That's your domino. Knock it down every day, and the rest will happen naturally. If you want to build the habit of saving money, don't overthink it. Get a piggy bank. Every day, put just 10 rupees into it. The amount is small, but the habit is powerful. That tiny habit eventually becomes the foundation of saving, investing, and financial freedom. Later, whenever you earn money, your mind will automatically remind you where it belongs. That's how one small domino can help you save thousands and eventually even lakhs. Every night, write down just one thing you're grateful for. This 30-second habit slowly transforms a mind that complains into a mind that looks for solutions. Most of the time, getting started is the hardest part. Once you begin, the rest of the dominoes keep falling on their own. This isn't magic, it's discipline. Discipline that's so small you barely notice it, yet powerful enough to change your life. People believe that big success requires big actions, but the truth is exactly the opposite. Big results come from small actions repeated consistently. So from today, choose just one domino in your life. Make it so small that your brain can't even say no. Knock it down every single day. The rest of the dominoes will fall when the time is right. Always remember, consistency beats intensity. If you enjoy videos about psychology, mindset, and self-improvement, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because the next video might just be the next domino that changes your life.